front of us on the road. Yep.
I watched the.
All right, Scott. You breathe next to us. Right in front of us, Scott.
Yep.
All right, slow down.
Nope.
Beautiful. There it is.
And there it goes. I don't know if I can. These are bad, bad roads. Really bad roads.
Big hail.
Yep. I was afraid that was going to happen.
You gonna get strong? Beautiful tornado.
Yeah,
Okay.
where is it?
It's right above. Just turn right here.
I don't know if I can. It's a bad road, dude.
Okay, well.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Look how black. That's bad. It's gone now.
It's
but
hanging there though.
Okay, let's go. We
gotta go to the next.
We gotta go to the next road.
Okay. Beautiful. I'm okay out here, by the way. It's coming right at us, Scott. Drive, better drive. Yeah, you better handle that road, Scott.
I am. Oh, yes. My ears are popping.
Yeah, it's passing right next to us.
Traffic. Look at that.
Got it out yours now.
Yep. Oh, power flashes.
You can shut your window. You can open your window. Hey, go check that out. Yeah, that's just sprinkling. It's not gonna be able to stop it. Unless you get to the meter out front.